Today, guys, we're going to cold start the 200x and possibly get some riding clips. Just a short video for you guys. As you can see, we got the new front fender on there. Looks a lot better than that old junky zip tied up patched front fender. The recoil has been hit and miss. I did WD-40 kind of in the starter dogs area and got it to work a lot better yesterday. It's got the fresh oil change done to it, new spark plug, got the air box all put back on, carb was cleaned, and that's basically it. So we're going to go ahead and see how many pulls it takes to start. It's been starting pretty good. We'll see if we can get lucky today. I put fresh premium 91 octane gas in it, and that's about it. So we're going to see if it starts. Try no choke first. And there we go. A little bit of finicky. I tried to choke it. It didn't like. It likes no choke when it's cold. You just kind of hit the throttle a little bit when it's cold. Hold it there for a second, then let it idle on its own. Been working quite well. Get you in a little closer. But it does smoke when it's cold. And as it warms up, it actually runs quite well. It doesn't smoke. So probably has some worn rings, maybe some valve guide seals. Nothing too crazy. I'm not really concerned about it. Doesn't leave any puddles of oil underneath on my shop floor, so I'm happy. So I'll usually let it warm up for a little while, and then we'll take it for a little ride around the yard, down the driveway and such. Well, I just need a light bar for the front and a tail light, and I gotta do some wiring. You guys can see kind of right down in that area. There's like some wires kind of wire nutted together, and somebody didn't do the best job on it, so. Yeah, she's pretty cold-blooded, the old Honda. But it looks pretty nice. Kind of back up, get a little better shot here. Oh yeah, she looks pristine. Other than that, somebody bid on the 200x motor that we got with it. I have a $200 bid on it right now on eBay. The tank is also up, the extra tank, and hopefully both of those items will be sold in the next couple days. That'll be a nice chunk of change, and then basically I only paid $300 for this thing then. And then if I need to do a top end rebuild later, I won't feel so bad. But it does look a lot better. The fender is sun faded a little bit, the front one that we picked up, but it was only $20. It is what it is. But yeah, let's go take this thing for a little ride. it's warmed up, it doesn't smoke anything really. There you guys have it. Nice little ride on the 200X. Running pretty good. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section below. Leave a like in the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel as always if you guys are new. And hopefully we'll have some more riding footage of this wheeler when the weather gets a little bit nicer and it's not so muddy. Until next time.